Ladies and gentlemen, Barry C here with another cryptocurrency video, and we are so close to the biggest crypto bull run we've ever seen. We're actually seeing things play out on more of a micro level at the moment. We're seeing random cryptos go up 70%, 80%, 90%, and we haven't even seen the full crypto bull run kick in yet. We haven't even seen cryptos go back to all-time highs, and we're already seeing pretty amazing price movement. And this is why you hear me talk a lot about getting into XRP now or continuing to accumulate XRP, because you can still accumulate XRP right now below $1 a coin. And if you just hold on to XRP until it reaches its previous all-time high from 2018, and that was between $3 to $3.80, you more than triple whatever you invest today. And that's pretty remarkable, because that's going to happen in less than a couple of months. Now, this bull run in particular, XRP doesn't have anything holding it back. And I've discussed this in a couple of other videos, but I think it's definitely worth repeating that heading into this bull run, we don't have the same issues that we had in 2021, which is top-tier exchanges delisting XRP because of the lawsuit. There was legal uncertainty. That's all over and done with. We have complete legal clarity when it comes to XRP. There's no more FUD that can possibly be leveled against XRP. And look, ladies and gents, of course, people are going to try. XRP has always been FUDded, even back in 2017, and it continues to be FUDded as of today in 2024. And that's why you have to almost be stubborn in your approach to what you accumulate and what you're looking into when it comes to crypto. Now, here's the thing, ladies and gents. I still see people extremely confused about if we're still having a bull run. How is this bull run going to play out? I'm even seeing people say, well, you can't use the last two bull runs as a metric for how this bull run will play out. Now, if you haven't been in crypto long enough, then fair enough. Those are questions you can absolutely ask. Because maybe you've only been through one bull run. Maybe this is your first bull run. I've been through two. And look, the information is there. You have to sift through a lot, but you could quite easily look at the Bitcoin charts going back since 2016, and you can see the way the bull runs unfold. Now, typically, we get the massive spike upwards. That's when we see the 100x, 1000x's daily from October, November, December onwards. And then typically by the second week of January until around March or April, we get a second little leg up where we see other all-time highs happen. Now, I can't see any reason why this bull run would be any different. It's playing out pretty similarly. The main difference, obviously, is the Bitcoin ETF, which caused the Bitcoin all-time high to happen in Q1 of this year, as opposed to Q4. And I'm pretty sure the Ethereum ETFs and an XRP ETF will also drive the market up. And that's why it's still definitely worth accumulating even up until this point. Now, of course, not financial advice, but we haven't entered into that 100x, 1000x euphoric level bull run. And typically, I wouldn't expect that until October, November, December of this year. Now, let's say it plays out exactly that way. We get those 100x's and 1000x's. Typically, it's only 93% of the whole market. So we may not even get 100x or 1000x out of XRP this bull run. We may see 10x, 50x. It's one of those bull runs where XRP has complete freedom to skyrocket. So it's very difficult to say where the price will be capped. I have a plan. You should all have a plan. Look at the conservative and the crazy price points. Look at your $5, $10, $15, $20 price points. Look at your $100 price points. Look at your $1,000 price points. Have a plan now before things start getting crazy. And that's why I'm still accumulating, and that's why I'm really excited, because we're seeing the market slowly creep back up. It's going to continue to keep going up until eventually around that October, November, December time period. That's when things get crazy. Now, ladies and gents, once again, it may not play out that way. The ETFs may make that happen a lot sooner. Ladies and gents, whether it plays out the same, whether it plays out differently, have a plan. Have a plan in place now before you start getting hundreds of thousands of dollars on the table, millions of dollars on the table. You don't want to be second guessing yourself. Now, for me personally, I am super bullish on XRP because this is the first bull run we've had since 2017 and 2018 where there's nothing holding XRP back. We don't have a lawsuit. We don't have exchanges delisting it. We don't have uncertainty. We have that confidence restored. And then once we get to that $3, $3.80 price point, everything is price discovery mode. Now, ladies and gents, what I will also say is that there's a lot of people out there pushing these narratives, whether they're negative, whether they're confused. And I don't know if it's because people haven't been through a bull run before. Maybe they don't understand how the post-Bitcoin halving bull run works. Maybe they haven't gone back and looked at the charts. And you also see people who are pushing these narratives who have to be accountable to their audience. They can't go back on what they've said. They have to double down. And you're going to see a lot of people with a lot of followers who are going to be very, very wrong. And people will realize that at the height of the bull run or after this bull run. Now, I'm here making content. I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I've been making this content for 2 years now. I've been saying the exact same thing. I've been giving you the exact same timelines. And I'm basing this all on the fact I've been in crypto since 2016. I've seen the way the bull runs have played out. I've seen where the markets go crazy within that bull run. And my opinion hasn't changed. And that's why I'm putting it out to each and every one of you now before things get crazy. And there's still an opportunity to accumulate some cheap XRP and some cheap crypto. Now, ladies and gents, of course, none of this is financial advice. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you're curious about the other cryptos I hold outside of XRP, consider becoming a patron. Click the link in the description below, head across to my Patreon page, and consider becoming a Barry C VIP. There you'll have access to all the cryptos I hold, my portfolios, as well as my buy, my sell, and my take profit signals in real time.